What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining in. For those who don't know me, I'm Kip and I'll be taking you through sneaker and fashion content weekly. Today I've got a very special drop, one I've been waiting for some time. I missed out on this last year, but now I got my hands on the Nike Jordan 1 High handcrafted. Let's take a look at this sneaker. So first things first, to keep up with this content, please do subscribe as below to keep up with the notifications. So today I'll be taking you through the review of the design, the sizing, the colorway, how I got my pair, and resale on this amazing sneaker that I've been waiting for. And don't forget the on-feet look at the end. So here we have it. Check it out. The use of material in a sneaker is amazing. You've got so many different materials used. I think it's just amazing. It goes in with what they've said in terms of the handcrafted. You've got the quality leather here in the toe box and the side. You've got a nubuck at the front and the back. You've got reflective material here and just along the inside of the toe box. And you've got a suede on the green bit of the eyelet. And then the brown around here. And as usual, the nylon tongue. You can't go without the nylon tongue. I think it's amazing. The use of colours, having so many colours, you've got kind of like a darker brown and a lighter brown at the back, the green, the mauve, the black tick to finish it off, and the quality white leather, along with the typical white midsole and black outsole. And then you've got a little bit more quality just inside. If you can see here, you've got the diamond stitching, which I think definitely adds to it. You also get a choice of lace, so you get this two-tone orange and black lacing, and also you get the white laces and the black laces, so definitely something you can change it up with the outfits depending on what you're wearing. I think it's a great addition to add to it. I got my pair on the Foot Locker app for £155, which is pretty much standard retail for the UK. I know they released before Christmas as well, so quite a few people had these right now, and they were available after I purchased my pair. I think they're now sold out again. In terms of resale, they're pretty much just over, probably about £175, but I do think these are definitely a sneaker to hold on to. It's definitely a pair I'm going to be adding to my collection. I love the colours, the colourway. What they've done with the sneaker is definitely something different. I definitely think it's something that will boost up in the future, but right now it seems to be pretty low, and that's probably alongside other sneakers that are coming out right now, such as the Jordan 1 Bread, Patent, which we'll also be reviewing shortly. So I think definitely one to wait on. Definitely, if you're into your sneaker reselling, definitely want to hold for the future. So sizing, I also do recommend going half a size down. That's what I always do. It helps with creasing and for a more snug fit. But you can also use crease shields. Let's take a look at the on-foot view. So there we have it. That is the Jordan 1 High handcrafted. Please do let me know your thoughts, put some comments, and thank you very much for joining as usual. Please do like, subscribe and share, and please watch out for future content. Take care.